Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public Reels in Facebook. First, open your Facebook application and locate the Reels section, usually found near the top of your feed. Next, tap the Create Reel button to start. You have the option to record a brand new video directly within the app or select an existing video from your phone's gallery. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready to share your creative content with the world. Once you've chosen your video, it's time to get creative. Facebook Reels allow videos up to 90 seconds in length, giving you plenty of room to express yourself. You can add popular music tracks, overlay text, apply fun effects, and even include interactive stickers. Don't forget to trim and edit your video clips to ensure a smooth and engaging final product. These tools help make your reel stand out. Before publishing, you'll want to optimize your reel for visibility. Craft a compelling description, which can be up to 2,200 characters long, to tell your story. Incorporate relevant hashtags to help new viewers find your content. Most importantly, ensure your audience setting is set to public so everyone on Facebook can see and enjoy your reel. This step is crucial for reaching a broad audience. With everything set, it's time to share your creation. Take a moment to review all your settings, description, and the video itself to ensure everything is perfect. Once you're satisfied, simply tap the Share Reel button. Your reel will then be live and visible to your chosen audience. Remember to engage with comments and reactions. It's a great way to connect with your viewers and build a community.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.